Hello everyone! It's a beautiful day with the Manitas. Hello! Hello!
We are losing fats.
Losing cholesterol.
Going to be sexy. Dapat sa summer, mag-rent tayo ng sa bagay kasi may mga sasakyan naman yung iba. Sige tayo, mag-beach tayo. Mga mountains, di ba? Sige.
It is a bright day with a beautiful clear blue sky, so my friends and I decided to spend the day by walking at Zaytuna Bay. Let me show you guys a glimpse of the place where we choose to feel the cool breeze of spring. And here we are. And of course, banding is not complete without chibugan, so here we are. We had a delicious sandwiches, cookies, and of course, with coffee. This is an avocado toast and prepared by Ate Pressy. So delicious. And you know what more did we eat? Charan! Champorado for dessert. We top it off with condensed milk for extra sweetness and richness. Champorado guys!
Ang ganda doon. Betchay.
So yummy.
Ang ganda.
Food really tastes better when shared it with friends. Kasabay ng konting kwentuhan, chikahan, and tawanan with them. Life really is better when you are surrounded with the right people and good friends. And dahil sa sobrang busog namin, we decided to take another round of walk. At dito, namit namin ang super cute little doggy named Antal. Nag-post talaga siya. So that's how our day went. Thank you everyone for watching and welcome to my corner.